everybody, welcome back. Today we're in the Dominican Republic watching Brandon compete in his first ever tournament representing the USA in the Pan American Male Bowling Championships. Super excited this week. Today we're starting with singles. He's bowling on the same squad as Matt, so that's going to be an absolute blast. They're crossing together. They're practicing right now, getting started. It's 6 games, post your score, and that's going to be who gets the gold, silver, and the bronze. Let's get right into it. recapping day one of the singles in the Dominican.
I'm glad singles was first because the only person I let down today was myself. Unfortunately, today we've had better days on the lanes.
We have. Well, you have. I didn't miss today.
Yeah. Neither did Mom.
Neither did Mom.
Didn't miss either. And,
Mom didn't miss.
I missed a lot actually, so don't really want to get into it. But yeah, we struggled today on the lanes, but it's okay. Tomorrow's a new day, and I'm looking forward to bowling with Matt Russo, and should be a good time.
That'll be fun.
Yeah.
I feel like you and Matt bowling together is going to be
Yeah, I think
entertaining.
we have a new game plan for tomorrow. I think, today was just about getting our feet wet. It was my first ever time putting on a Team USA jersey in an official event. Obviously the Masters is a little bit different, but getting out here, it's a much different feeling. And when you don't have any ball reaction and then you start to fight some other stuff, it gets to be pretty difficult pretty quick. And that's what happened tonight. So now we're gonna take what we learned tonight and we're gonna move on to tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow's a better day. So fingers crossed.
So after your first day wearing USA on the back, what did you learn? What did you take away from it?
That no matter where you are, when you're doing it, there will always be somebody watching you, and not to look like a fool, right? A lot of people go out there and they're bowling bad, and obviously they're going to be disappointed. And I think I handled myself pretty well for starting with 150, 160, and I had a few people tell me that I kept it together pretty well, and I gotta give that one to Dad because he never loses it on the lanes. But yeah, I think that was my biggest takeaway was how well I kept myself. Obviously on the inside it wasn't like that, but on the outside.
No. The outside is all that matters. It doesn't matter what you tell yourself on the inside.
Yeah, on the inside there was a lot of stuff going on, but on the outside it seemed to be pretty cool, and maybe you took it a little differently, but obviously you're my brother. But yeah, I think on the outside it was pretty well keen, I would say. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for day one here in Dominican Republic.
Yeah,
it's been a long day. I've been in the bowling center for about 10 hours today, so.
Yeah, they were at the center all day. They had squads at 8, 1, and 5, right?
8, 12, 30, and 5.
8, 12, 30, and 5. Yep. And me and Mom, we did a little work in the room, did some sightseeing, and we had a lot of fun. They don't speak a lot of English in the Dominican Republic. It's not their first language, Spanish is, and it was very, very unique. Very unique trying to walk around and not speak the language that everybody else speaks. So we had a good time with that, but then we got to watch bowling, and we get to watch hopefully better bowling tomorrow in the doubles.
That's gonna wrap this one up. Day one in the Dominican Republic at the Pan Am Male Bowling Championships.
Very good.
And make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss a new video.
And you better do it right now because it's late and we're gonna go to bed, so you better do it right now.
Before you go to sleep, of course. So
yeah,
we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Peace.